Welcome to Tech Help Guy, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use WhatsApp web in laptop. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure to smash that like button to allow us to continue to make videos like this. Moving on to the video. So first of all, you want to go over to your WhatsApp on your mobile phone. In the bottom right corner, click on settings and go over to link device. In my case, I've already linked multiple devices, so I would have to delete some of them to be able to scan the QR code necessary when we go to our laptop. So moving over to the laptop, just go ahead to our Google search bar and input web WhatsApp on the Google search, and the first link you see, you just want to go ahead and click on it. So we're just going to wait for that to load up, and essentially it says log into WhatsApp web. So a QR code would appear here, and you're going to scan that QR code with your camera on your phone after clicking on link device on your WhatsApp on your mobile phone. So once you do that, it's going to open up the WhatsApp web interface, which is pretty much the same as your regular WhatsApp on your phone, just that it's on your computer, and this allows you to send and receive messages without keeping your phone online. So maybe you're working and you need to communicate with your friends or your colleagues. You can easily do that using WhatsApp web, and it comes with amazing features as well. If you take a look at the left hand side, you can see we have the chats as usual. You can update your status, you have the channels, you have communities, and you can also promote your products if you have a business on WhatsApp web. So the cool thing about using WhatsApp web is that it's very convenient. If you don't want to shuffle between your phone and your computer, you can just keep everything in one place. It makes communication seamless, and it allows you to stay in touch with your friends and colleagues without having to be on your phone. And the only downside to it is that you are not able to make calls. As far as I know, there's going to be an update that would allow that in the future, but currently that's the limitation with using WhatsApp web. So essentially, it is a great alternative to using your mobile phone to communicate, and essentially it's very straightforward and easy to use. Make sure to smash that like button if this video helped you, and consider subscribing to our channel Tech Help Guy for fire updates on everything tech. Thanks for watching.